Good girl. Come on. Whoa, there you go. Whoa. All done? Or you want my mom to do it? Oh, I guess it's not. Guess.
Done?
All done.
Go ahead.
My mom doesn't want to get in the video because she got her pajamas on. It's 6:30 on a Saturday night.
Good job. Did Gregory teach you how to do that?